when you're starting out, particularly, you have to play to your strengths. You have to do something that really excites you, and whatever's different about that. In the case of following the non-linear structure was
ఏ ఉపేంద్ర ఈ 3 సినిమాలు తీసిన ఏ డైరెక్టర్ రిటైర్ అయిపోవచ్చు.
ಇರೋದೇ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಥಾಟ್ಸೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಲೋ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಐತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿದು ಅಂತ.
ఇంకా ఇండియాలో ఏ డైరెక్టర్ అని చెప్పాకల్లా పిచ్చి మ్యాడ్ అంతా అంటే ఆ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అంతా ఎలా కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే ఇప్పటికీ ఆ ఏ సినిమా చూసినప్పుడు బయటకు వచ్చినప్పుడు అంటే ఫ్రాంక్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఉపేంద్ర గారు వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఓం ఏ ఉపేంద్ర ఈ 3 సినిమాలు తీసిన ఏ డైరెక్టర్ రిటైర్ అయిపోవచ్చు. నేను కనుక అలాంటి 3 సినిమాలు తీసి రిటైర్ అయిపోయింది వాడిని.
ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಕಾಶಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಡ್ರೀಮು ಒಂದು ಕನಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನಸಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ. ಆ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಕನಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕನಸು ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ.
ನೋಡು, ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೋಗು, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬದುಕು, ಹೋಗು ಓಡು. ಇವನು ಓಡ್ತಿರೋ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಇವು ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಗಾಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್.
When the chips are down, these civilized people, they'll eat each other.
ನನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾನು ಹಾಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ ಓಡಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವ್ಯಾರ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕದನ್ನ? ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ ಈ ತರ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಜನಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬದುಕ್ತೀರಾ, ನಾನು ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬದುಕ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಪಾಪಿ, ಲೋಫರ್, ಚಂಡಾಲ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ. ಏನಿವಾಗ ನಿನಗೇನು?
See, I'm not a monster. I'm just ahead of the curve.
Every magic trick consists of 3 parts or acts. First part is called the pledge. The magician shows you something.
ನೋಡಿ, ಇವ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
The second act is called the turn.
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗು.
The magician takes the ordinary something and makes it into something extraordinary. But you wouldn't clap it, because making something disappear isn't enough. You have to bring it back.
ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಯಾನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಟ್ವಿನ್ಸು, ಅವಳಿ ಜವಳಿ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇನೆ ನಮ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ಗೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗೆ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗೆ.
Just to be clear, I didn't go to film school because I couldn't get into film school.